Hi everyone, it's Sharon. This is a tutorial about how to record on Flipgrid. So I did respond to a flip code that I entered, and I'm using a separate email than the one that's my teacher login so that I can appear as a student. So you can also change up here, you can change your display name. Okay, so that's what that is, a little arrow pencil appears, edit. And what I'm going to do is I can put apparently stickies, but I won't do that right now. The options here, audio is on. You can import a video, but that's your camera size, so I'm using the full camera. And then all that you do is you press on this record. The teacher sets up how many minutes. I've set it up as to 5 minutes. I did a practice run and it's only 1:39, so I wanted to keep this brief because this is a reflection about the flow article, and I looked up the pronunciation of the author's name because it's one of those really long names. So it's Mihai Csikszentmihalyi. So that's that article, and I'm doing a reflection on it because it really does apply to my intervention. So here goes. I'm just going to press record. It's going to count down, and then you're going to see my my reflection, and then the steps that I'm going to take to actually upload it to the video area of this Flipgrid, which is a compilation of all of your students, or our, as a team in a graduate's work. I'm going to record this as all of us together. So here we go. It's 3, 2, 1. Hi everyone, this is Sharon Mistretta, and this is a reflection on the Flow, the Psychology of Optimal Experience article. It is by, I looked up the pronunciation of the author's name. It's Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, and this article particularly resonated with me because my intervention involves my students programming a game in MIT App Inventor. They're actually coding a Yahtzee game. And the Flow article is timely because it expanded my thinking regarding games that offer opportunities to go beyond boundaries of ordinary experience in 4 different ways. They're listed as Agon, which includes games that have competition as their main feature; Alia, which includes games of chance, such as dice, which is what the Yahtzee game is; iLinks, which is games that scramble ordinary perceptions; and Mimicry, which are alternative realities. So my intervention falls within 2 of the game categories, the Agon and the Alia. So Agon, regarding competition, aligns with the 2-player dynamic of the Yahtzee game. Also, students are motivated by earning digital badges that I give them, and I display them in an online bulletin board called Padlet, and the physical certificates that I print for the students in beginner, intermediate, and advanced stages. These are these certificates right here. And regarding Alia games, Yahtzee is a game of chance that I originally chose as the topic of the programming unit because of the mathematical properties of scoring dice and probability. And this is a game of chance that fits directly within the Alia category of games, and that takes the children beyond the boundaries of ordinary experience. So according to Mihai Csikszentmihalyi, agonistic games stretch our skills, and each person seeks to actualize potential, which is made easier when others encourage us to do our best. Students compete with one another to earn digital badges awarded after each small skill video. I'm using Flip Learning, where they can pause and run the video to program their individual Yahtzee games. So as their teacher, I provide increasing levels of difficulty in programming so that they can stretch their skills. I'm presently in the 3rd of 5 weeks of my intervention. 12 of 18 students completed the beginner lessons and are now completing the intermediate lessons. 3 students of the intermediate group are almost ready to begin the advanced level. So Mihai Csikszentmihalyi notes that boredom and anxiety are positive experiences where individuals are motivated to return to flow activities, which are defined as the provision of enjoyable experiences. So prior to reading this article, I was unaware of the concept of flow. Art, play, and ritual provide enjoyment, and games, I just love this phrase, games fill out the interludes of our cultural scripts. So my intervention is in a poverty demographic in a school district that has limited access to creative technology, such as MIT App Inventor, that has design as well as programming components. So there's a heavy design component as well. So by reading this article, I realized that the intervention provides concentration during free time which is in an after-school program, that engage my students in a flow activity that takes them away from their present circumstances to reach new goals of beginner, intermediate, and advanced levels of programming. So those are my thoughts on the flow article. Thank you. Hi everyone, this is Sharon Mistretta, and this is a reflection on the Flow, the Psychology of Optimal Experience article. It is by, I looked up the pronunciation of the author's name, it's